Hello everybody. Had my first failure for 2025. May recall last year the plug on my 1988 Noma bell set was getting a little bit flaky. Well, it failed completely this year. And the failure point was right here on the neutral side. So, let's fix it. Where the heck am I going to get what is this, AS1? Well, I've got a donor set. And I'm going to transfer this new old stock plug over. Just to keep it factory original, because they're kind of an heirloom. Well, I'll get the tripod and we'll extract this plug from the cord. Alright, I have got this little screwdriver here, which fits perfectly in these tabs. What I've got to do is depress that and push that tab back, and very carefully I've got to hold that open. It's easier said than done. Push it way back. Almost need a third hand. Okay, I've got that one up. And I've got to, well, yep, we're good. Got to repeat the process here on this side. May need to open that up first. Yep. And there's what I'm left with. Got a nice looking new old stock plug. Everything's all good, so I got to go in the other one and get this all set up in there. Got to trim back a little bit and we'll get this put in there. Kind of an early style vampire plug. Like so. Interesting. And this one's very difficult to discern. It's got a couple of ribs there, so that should be the negative or the neutral. Okay. See if that's going to play nice. good as new. So once again, replacing the plug on my vintage 1988 Noma bell set. Thank you for watching.